Good morning and welcome to Cape Town. This is an all levels practice to help you mobilize your joints in the morning and make you feel refreshed and ready for the day. So we'll start out in a seated position at the back of the mat. Place your hands onto your knees and close your eyes. Take a full breath in through the nose and a big sigh out of the mouth. Another deep breath in. Let it all go. Come onto your hands and knees and close your mouth and start to breathe just in and out of the nose. Make sure your hips are above your knees. Slide your hands forward into puppy pose, bringing your forehead to the ground. Press the chest down. If you want a deeper stretch, you can bring your chin to the mat. Walk your hands back onto all fours. Move around your wrists in circles to the right 3 times and to the left 3 times. Turn your palms to face up. And you can take the weight off by shifting the hips back. Otherwise, you can bring more weight into your hands by bringing your weight forward. Breathing in and out of the nose. Bring your hands back round again. Give them a little shake out. And tuck your toes under. Hover the knees above the ground. Press your hips up and back to downward facing dog. Keep the knees bent and just lengthen through the spine. Shift forward so that your shoulders are above your wrists into a plank position. Lower the knees down. Lift the tailbone. Keep the knees bent as you lift your hips up and back to downward dog. Shift forward, plank. Lower knees down. Lift the tailbone. Lift the hips up. Keep the knees bent. Press the chest. Moving through one more time, a little more fluid this time, so rounding the shoulders, moving into a plank, taking the knees down, lift the hips, press it back into downward facing dog. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Look forward, step to the front, feet hip distance apart, fold forward. Let your hands dangle down or touch the ground and let the head hang down to the ground. Bend the knees and rise. Inhale, lift the arms up. Look up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down to the center of your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, lift the arms up. Interlace the fingers. Point the index fingers up towards the sky and take the arms over to the right side. Inhale, lift up to center. Exhale, over to the left side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend the knees and slide the hands all the way down to the ground. Forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Place your hands on your shins and make a tabletop position. Lengthening through the spine. Breathe in. Exhale, place the hands down. Step it back to a plank. Straight away lower the knees down. Shift the hips forward. Bend the elbows. Lower the chest down nice and slowly. Come into Sphinx pose, so bringing the elbows to the ground, shoulders back. Press the tops of your feet into the mat. Breathe. Keep sending the shoulders back. Place the hands by your side, lift up to all fours, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up to downward facing dog. Pedal the feet out. You can draw your left heel down and then your right heel. Try and get your calves to stretch and bring your heel all the way down to the ground flat if possible. Look forward. Big step to the front, forward fold, bend the knees and lift up. Lift the arms, lift the gaze. Press the hands together. Bring the hands to heart center and down by your side. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, bend the knees, fold it forward. Inhale, lift halfway, hands on shins, tabletop position. Exhale, place the hands flat on the ground and step the left leg back. Lower the back knee down. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bring the elbows towards each other, press the chest out. Breathe. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, place the hands down. Step the left foot forward into your forward fold. Bend the knees and rise. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, place the hands and step the right leg back. Lower the knee down. Inhale to lift the arms up. Exhale, draw the elbows towards each other. Press the chest forward. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, place the hands down. Tuck the toes under, step it forward, forward fold. Bend the knees and lift all the way up. Bring the hands down by your side. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, place the hands flat on the ground. Step both legs back into plank. Breathe in. Exhale, take the knees down to the ground. Lower the chest down. Inhale, lift the shoulders right up to the ears and slide them down the back for cobra. Breathe in. Exhale, tuck the toes under, lift the hips all the way up to a downward dog. Look forward, step to the front, forward fold. Bend the knees, lift up. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands by your side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift halfway. You know the drill now. Exhale, place the hands and step back to plank. Breathe in. Exhale, knees lower down. Bend the elbows, lower all the way down. Inhale, a little higher into a cobra this time. Pause for a moment, keep the elbows bent and breathe in. Exhale, tuck the toes under, press back into your downward dog. Look forward, step to the front. Bend the knees, rise up. Inhale, reach the arms. Exhale, hands by your side. Breathe in, breathe out. Chair pose, bring the toes together, knees together, shift the hips back. Lift the arms. Look up towards the sky or the ceiling, whatever you can see. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly bring the hands down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands on shins, lengthen the spine. Exhale, place the hands down, step the right leg back, lower the knee down. Inhale, lift the arms, lift the gaze, shift the hips forward. Bring the hands together and twist to the left side. Right elbow outside the left knee and twist to the left side. Inhale, lift the arms, lift the gaze. Exhale, take your hands behind your back, draw them down. Open the chest, draw the hands back and down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, place the hands down. Step it forward. Forward fold. Bend the knees and rise. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hands by your side. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, place the hands, step the left leg back, lower the knee down. Inhale to lift the arms. Exhale, hands to center of your chest. Take the left elbow outside the right knee this time, twisting to the right side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take your hands behind your back and open your chest, spread your collarbones and draw your hands towards the back of the mat. Shift the hips forward. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, place them down. Step it forward. Forward fold and rise up. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hands to your side. Lift the arms up. Shift the hips forward. Take your hands behind your head so that your upper arms are hugging your ears. Shifting your hips forward and just leaning, opening up the chest. Little back bend, open the spine. Glutes are engaged. Try and lean back as far as is available to you without hurting your lower back. And then slowly come into a forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, place the hands down and step it back to plank. Lower the knees down, walk your hands back. And come into camel pose. You're going to bring your hands, make a fist with your hands and bring them to the top of your sacrum or just the bottom of your lower back. Draw your elbows towards each other. Lift up through the chest and then slowly lean back. Option to stay here, or you can take your hands to your heels if it's available for you. Otherwise, just do what makes you feel comfortable. Don't overexert yourself. It's just a morning stretch to get you ready for the day. So you want to feel good, but open. And breathe. Maybe taking it back after you've warmed yourself up. Leave the chest open. And you can take your head back if it feels good. Take your hands to your lower back and slowly come up. Sit the hips down. Bring your legs out in front of you. And lift the arms up for a forward fold, keeping the knees bent if you need to. Grab onto your big toes, press the chest forward. Just fold your chest towards your thighs. Keeping the knees bent at this time of the day is completely acceptable because you just want to be gentle with yourself. Keep pressing the chest forward and getting closer to your thighs. Maybe you slide your heels forward if it's possible and try not to round the shoulders. Bring your hands to your sides, place your feet flat and lower yourself down to the ground, coming into bridge pose. Feet are about hip distance apart. Let your middle finger touch the back of your heel. Slowly start to tuck the tailbone under as you gently lift your hips up off the ground. Option to stay here if this feels safe enough for you, pressing your hands and forearms into the ground. Or you can roll your shoulders right underneath you, interlace your fingers, and really then lift your hips up. And just keep breathing and trying to lift your hips up a little bit higher with each breath. Release your hands from underneath you and slowly lower yourself down from upper back to middle back to lower back. Lift your feet up, lengthen the legs. Take your arms out into a T shape. And then bring your knees in towards your chest. And take your knees over to the right-hand side and take your gaze over to the left. Coming into a gentle twist to mobilize your spine. Bring the knees back to center and over to the other side. So knees are now going to the left side, your gaze is going to the right. Bring the knees back to center, hug them into your chest, rock from side to side. Cross your feet at the ankles, place your hands on your knees and rock up to a seat. Close your eyes for a moment, bring your hands to the center of your chest. By doing this gentle practice in the morning, you've set yourself up for a calm and productive day. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a big exhale out of the mouth. Thank you for sharing this beautiful morning practice with me in Cape Town. For an evening practice to help set you up for an amazing sleep, do this class and let me know what you think.